Alright, what is going on, guys? We are going to pull the centers out of the old rotors. As you can see, they got hairline cracks and it's time for them to go. So, I'm going to chuck out 8mm on those and get that happening. Alright, so got all these out, and probably going to clean the back of that. Oh, put that there, and I'll take this rotor into some light so you can see. Oh, that's probably the good side. Like there, like cracks, and she's getting a bit tired, so out with those. I'll quickly do this one off camera because you don't need to watch me do it twice. Right, so these, I don't know if you can see them, but see how there's like a, oh hold on, a super angled edge on one side that goes towards the hub, so like to the inside, to the center. So you know, doing these, not that don't take my advice. Alright. Yeah, this one's got a few more hair fractures, or fractures that you can see a bit better. We goes out and get a light over here. It's pretty dark. So first things first, I'm going to give these a quick hoon, like a bit of a wire brush because that's nasty, and clean those up. And then I don't really like how rusty these are. I'm going to do one and see what it comes up like, but they'll probably rust again if I wire brush it, but I'll live with that. Alright, got a light, that should be a bit easier. These aren't too bad. I think it might be better if I just leave them, but they are a little bit rusty. Yeah. Alright, let's clean these. Let's crack up. No wonder it's taking so long. I thought that was the new one, but it's not. Plus the drawer I think it's getting flat. Oh, look. That's always funny. Yeah, so they could be better, but I didn't I mean, like, someone's already, it's already got a little bit of rash from, like, I don't know, stuff getting stuck under there, but I don't really want to take the surface off the paint surface or whatever, so I'm just going to call it that. They look better anyway. Definitely better than rust. But, this is the other thing I'm not sure about, right? Like, I can't see any Loctite on there, but I feel like some people put Loctite on there. I don't really know what to do. See, I haven't had... Is it technically a spinning part? Yeah. Is it this part spinning? No, but... It's hard to know what to do because I can't... Like, do I just follow what was on there with no Loctite? Or do I actually Loctite it? I think I might phone a friend and see what he reckons. Alright, so just talked to a friend. Thanks for the help, by the way. Basically they're self-locking, so I don't have to do that, so that's mint. So we'll get into putting them back together, and yeah. Alright, oh yeah, don't forget that you want to use brake clean and clean those off once you're done, because there is like you know, they can use a bit of a coating, but also I'm going to put my grubby fingers all over it. But yeah, let's get into this. Oh man, this is already getting exciting. I'll show you what I'm seeing. Woo, that's exciting. Oh man, I've got a new car parts. Especially when like everything just kind of works out and goes together, you know, nice and easy. Especially after that carbon piece. A few of my mates loved it, how it didn't fit. Including myself actually, I thought it was a bit funny. Man, I'm really happy with these. So got this one done. I just pretty much went like, you know, like a star or whatever as I did them up. But man, I'm stoked. Alright, on to the next one. I got that wheel sensor covered. I'm going to call it quits for tonight. Had work today and my kid didn't sleep all night last night, so after work tomorrow I'll pick this back up. But yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow. So I managed to get one mud flap back on, but the other side, because the bumper has lost all its pickup points, you know, I think I'm going to have to order some more material and like make a long one that goes all the way up to these two bolts and then cable tie this. So I'm going to order some more mud flap material. But for now, I'm going to lower the car. I'll find some wheels, chuck them on the back, lower the car, pull the sill stands out, leave it on the jack at the front, and get these side skirts on so I can start putting the underbody back on and stuff. Rear wheels on, and we will jack this up, pull the axle stands out, jack the front up, leave it up, but pull the axle stands out, get these side skirts on. Alright, so side skirts back on. I just got a few more screws to do with the doors open, but I need to get the other side done. For now, I'm going to go and have a rest. It's real hot in the shed. I turned the fan off for filming, but it's still real hot. But I'm going to head inside, grab a drink,